Okay, we are going to be replacing this shower valve. Right now it's a price fister. We're going to be putting in a Moen. We'll go ahead and change the shower head, shower arm, and the trim, make it all match. We're going to be doing it in chrome. Out here, we're going to be installing, well, what Navien has already been installed. It's a 180 advanced. We are just going to hook it up to where it has recirculation capabilities. So we need to put on a check valve and a T, go into the recirc pump right here, and then program it.